my God.
Yeah, I think that's where we left him.
Squirrel?
Squirrel. Sitting there looking at us. You guys are crazy.
I just went straight up and over on that one and then went up to the hill.
That's not so bad. I can see the road.
This is like my three nightmares.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I can't do the road. When you get to the top, there's nothing on the other side. Oh! Oh my God.
Two-wheel drive.
Did you say three-wheel drive?
Yeah, because
Yeah, one wheel left the ground.
That's what the rear differential lock is for.
Oh, okay.
Should we go find the stream and let my mom relax?